How to fix WhatsApp status could not send issue. If you are facing the issue where WhatsApp status update won't send, there could be several reasons causing this issue. Here are some common solutions to fix the issue. The first one is make sure that you have working internet connection. The second one is simply go through your app store and search for WhatsApp. Then make sure that there is no any update now button. If you see any update button, then simply hit on that to update your application. Once you do that, check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is still there, then simply launch your settings on your device. Then scroll down there, you'll see general option, tap on it. From here, go to the iPhone storage and then there you'll see a lot of applications. From there, choose WhatsApp. Once you go to the WhatsApp, you will see two options, that is offload app and delete app. Among them, choose offload app and do offload app. Then reinstall your application again and log into your account and check if your problem is solved or not. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.